Welcome to the product demo of the LT15 Portable Sawmill. Every log holds potential. Every project begins with a single cut. Built in America and trusted by sawyers around the world, start creating with your own lumber and build a lasting legacy with Wood-Mizer. Let's take a look. Saw softwood and hardwood logs up to 32 inches in diameter with a 30-inch width of cut and a 10.5-inch depth of cut. More than enough capacity for most logs you'll come across. Saw logs up to 17 feet 8 inches in length with the included sawmill bed sections, or saw longer logs with optional 6 feet 8 inch bed extensions. All sawmill bed sections are modular and easily bolt together for seamless extension of your sawmill with no practical limit. Simplified leveling of the sawmill bed with 12 adjustable bed leveling feet. Additional bed extensions also include adjustable feet to help keep your sawmill bed level at any sawing length. Versatile and reliable power options are available to fit your needs. For portable and outdoor sawing, 19 horsepower and 25 horsepower gas and 10 horsepower or 17 horsepower diesel options with electric start are available. A 10 horsepower electric motor is also available for sawing indoors in a garage or workshop with single or three-phase connection. The LT15 features a large 5-gallon fuel tank for longer sawing between refueling, especially in remote locations. For smooth and accurate sawing, the sawmill frame runs forward and reverse on the sawmill bed using high-quality enclosed rollers that are protected from sawdust and debris. Quickly and accurately move the saw head up and down to prepare for sawing with the crank handle and lift assist. Easily turn the handle clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the blade depth. For a more consistent and efficient feed speed, upgrade the push bar to the crank feed option. Power up your LT15 portable sawmill with an efficient power feed system. This easy-to-use, bolt-on electronic control allows you to move the saw head forward and reverse with 12-volt power for more production with less effort. In addition, a power feed improves the quality of cut by providing a consistent, even feed speed that yields the best surface on lumber. Keep sawdust away from the van wheels, belts, and sawmill blade with the included sawdust port. 2 quick-set log clamps tightly fasten logs for sawing and are adjustable up and down and in-out as material is cut. Each log clamp is able to move between other cross-sections, and additional log clamps are available as needed. 6 strong steel quick-set side supports are adjustable up and down to stabilize logs on the bed during loading, turning, clamping, and sawing. Optional heavy-duty rollers assist with turning logs. Each side support is mounted directly on the bed and includes rust-resistant paint for durability. An additional built-in bedside support on each cross-section eliminates the need for adjustable side supports while sawing a squared cant and allows for final cuts within 1 inch of the bed. Engage the sawmill blade with a convenient pull handle that engages the mechanical clutch and automatically throttles the engine at the same time. Reduce blade travel and support the blade when sawing narrow and wide material with the adjustable blade guide arm. In addition to continuously feeding the blades, the blade guide rollers apply downward pressure on the blade while sawing for better cut quality. Sawmill blades run on belted 19-inch diameter cast iron band wheels for additional stability in the cut. Keep the sawmill blade cool and free of pitch, sap, and sawdust while sawing with the gravity-fed blade lubrication that applies directly to the blade. A water tank conveniently located close to the operator is easy to refill and features an on-off valve for consistently distributing lubrication to the blade. Sawmill blade changes are easy with a 2-piece sawhead cover that is secured by 2 inside fasteners. To change a sawmill blade, simply release the blade tension, replace the blade, and tension the blade with the simple screw indicator without having to remove any extra parts. Go completely portable by adding the Go trailer to your LT15 portable sawmill. Complete with a durable steel frame, single axle, 2 wheels, 2 fenders, set of 6 adjustable outriggers, lights, and hitch. The Go trailer allows sawing logs directly on the trailer with the ability to easily hook up and go to your next sawing site. With optional accessories including Go trailers, power feed, bed extensions, log loading ramps, log leveling tow boards, shingle lapsider, and more, the LT15 can grow with you. The LT15 portable sawmill ships on a single pallet and requires minimal assembly time, so you can start sawing within a few hours of receiving your sawmill. Thank you for watching the demo of the LT15 Portable Sawmill. For more information or to order, visit woodmizer.com or contact your local Wood-Mizer representative.